In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Medium. If you're getting a post ready to go live, adding tags is an important final step. Tags help Medium understand what your article is about, and they can also make it easier for the right readers to discover your content. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to add them during the publishing process so you can finish your post with confidence. To begin, go to your Medium post or article that's already written and ready to be published. Make sure you're on the editing screen for that article before moving forward. This is the version of the post where you can make final changes, review your content, and prepare everything before it goes live. If needed, take a quick moment to scan through your article and confirm that everything looks the way you want. Once your post is ready, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Publish. This opens the publishing options for your article. Medium uses this stage to let you review the final details before posting. And this is also where you'll be able to add your tags, sometimes labeled as topics. After that, click into the topics field. This is where you'll enter the tags you want associated with your article. Start typing a topic that matches your post. As you type, Medium will usually display matching topic suggestions underneath the field. When you see the one you want, click to select it. Then continue by typing the next topic, selecting it from the suggestions, and repeating the same process until you've added all the relevant tags you want to use. As you do this, try to choose topics that closely match the main subject of your article. Being specific and accurate helps your post connect with the right audience. It's also a good idea to pay attention to the suggestions Medium provides, since selecting an existing topic can improve consistency and visibility on the platform. When you're happy with your topics and everything looks good, click Publish to finish. That's the final step. And your article will be published with the tags you selected. And that's it. Adding tags on Medium is quick and simple once you know where to look. It only takes a moment, but it can make a meaningful difference in how your article is categorized and discovered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.